Welcome to Lumion, the future of engineering report generation. Are you tired of the painstaking process of generating comprehensive engineering reports? Do you wish for a tool that could automate, analyze, and synthesize complex technical information with precision and speed? We've got something revolutionary for you. Lumion is an innovative AI engineering report generation system designed to transform how you approach complex projects. It leverages the power of cutting-edge artificial intelligence to deliver enterprise-grade engineering reports that can rival those produced by leading consultancy firms. At the core of Lumion's intelligence lies a sophisticated integration of various powerful AI models. We harness the capabilities of models like GPT, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Perplexity, Hyperclova, Tencent, Llama, Claude, and many more. This diverse range of AI ensures a comprehensive and nuanced understanding of your engineering requirements, allowing Lumion to provide unparalleled insights and solutions. So what exactly can you expect from a Lumion-generated report? Each report meticulously details global components, providing a complete bill of materials, ensuring every part, no matter how small, is accounted for. Lumion generates precise system diagrams, offering clear visual representations of your project's architecture and interconnections. Our reports also integrate crucial software considerations, outlining necessary programs, dependencies, and potential integrations for seamless operation. Crucially, Lumion facilitates a group-agreed failure mode and effects analysis, helping you identify and mitigate potential risks before they become problems. What sets Lumion apart from traditional methods and other solutions? Lumion enables you to achieve enterprise-grade engineering reports with unmatched speed and accuracy, streamlining your workflow and reducing overhead. Our AI-driven system is designed to rival the depth and quality of reports from top-tier engineering consultancy firms, giving you a competitive edge. In conclusion, Lumion isn't just a tool, it's a paradigm shift in engineering report generation. It empowers you to streamline your engineering workflows, enhance collaboration, and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Discover the power of AI-powered engineering reports and take your projects to the next level. Unlock your next big idea today. Bring it to life with Lumion.